My name is Quintin Croft and I am the owner and CEO and creator of BAQE Cosmetics. How did I get the idea for BAQE? So there are so many parts of this story, and the first is that I really did always want to have my own brand, but never really thought that I could do it. And it was something that was always in the back of my mind through every line that I worked with, through watching people create their own lines that honestly knew nothing about makeup. It was super frustrating. It was super exhausting to try so hard with lines that weren't mine that I did love, but there were always things that I wanted to change and always things that I wanted to make my own. My sweet husband, being the believer in me that he is, I will never forget. A couple years ago, he just pulled me aside and he said, "Babe, I just don't think that this is the end all for you. I really think that you should start your own. You could do this." And so I sat there and I was like, no, and got so in my head and so self-conscious again. But that little voice of my husband in my ear every day, "You could do this." On my birthday this year, of all days, I finally just got fed up and said, I'm going to do it. I'm gonna do it. All because my husband believed in me and made me believe in myself. Where does the name come from? The name BAQE was actually literally the first thing that I knew about my business. I knew the instant I put pen to paper on my birthday, I just kept thinking the name BAQE. I love to bake and I love to do makeup, and I have been wanting to fuse the two for so long. That is where the name came from. And my husband, brilliant man that he is, wanted to get my name somewhere in the brand. So we came up together with making the K into a Q, and BAQE was born. Well, I'm sure you're all wondering, how is this brand different? How is BAQE different than the millions of other companies out there? Being in the industry for over 10 years has taught me a lot of things along the way. Things that I love and things that I hate. It has shown me all of the flaws and problems that I see in the beauty industry. One of the main problems is there's a major disconnect between beauty enthusiasts like myself and makeup artists and YouTubers and all of that. The beauty enthusiasts are over here, right? And then over here, we have like the everyday woman who really probably doesn't know what she's doing with makeup. Those are the two people that most makeup lines cater to. And I really wanted to bridge that gap. And how we're gonna do that is every single product is going to come with what I call recipe cards. These recipe cards are going to have a look on them for you with that product that you have just purchased. And that recipe card you can scan with your phone, and it will take you directly to YouTube video of how to use your branded product, along with other looks and other techniques with that item that you just purchased. I'm so excited to bring knowledge to the everyday woman and new ideas to the makeup enthusiast. This makeup line is for everyone. It's for the young, for the mature, for the everyday woman, for the makeup enthusiast, and everyone in between. Here at BAQE, we believe that makeup is for everyone. We believe that makeup can be as easy as following a recipe. I'm just so overjoyed that you finally get to see what I have been working so hard on behind the scenes for you. Thank you so much for loving me, and thank you. I'm so excited to introduce you to BAQE. From the bottom of my heart, I hope that you enjoy what I have created for you.